Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to cancel a dispute on AliExpress. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to cancel a dispute on AliExpress web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the AliExpress web app. So go to the AliExpress website through any browser of your choice. Once on the website, click the account icon at the top right corner of the screen and log in using your account's credentials. Once logged in, you need to hover over the account icon again, and you're going to see a couple of options presented in the drop-down menu, which include My Orders, My Coins, Message Center, Payments, Wishlist, My Coupons, AliExpress Business, DS Center, Seller Login, and all the way down to the last option, which is Accessibility. Go ahead and click on My Orders from the drop-down menu. And it's going to take you right into the Orders Management window, which is here. So in these Orders Management section, all you need to do is to look for the order for which you have opened a dispute. I do not have an order here, so my order list is pretty much very empty. But if you do, just go ahead and locate the order for which you have opened the dispute. You can search for your order in the search bar. If you have quite a lot of orders, you can search using the order ID, the product, or the store name. Now, once you have searched for the order you've opened a dispute, for which you've opened a dispute, the order should have a status indicating that a dispute is in progress. Next to the disputed order, go ahead and click on Order Details to open the orders page. In the Order Details page, scroll down to the Dispute Details section, where you will see the current status of your dispute. There should be a button labeled Cancel Dispute, so go ahead and click on it to start the cancellation process. After that, a confirmation window will pop up asking if you're sure you want to cancel the dispute. Review your decision and click Confirm to cancel the dispute. Now, once you have canceled the dispute status will be updated to cancelled. Now, you can go back to check these in the My Other section to ensure it was successful. And that's how you cancel a dispute on AliExpress. You can go by this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.